Here's one that pops. Take a look at this one. Wow. 1957 Chevrolet Belair two-door hardtop, and this is a true Belair. VIN number starts with a VC, so it was originally a 8-cylinder V8 car. C designates the Belair trim on this car, so it is a true Chevy Belair two-door hardtop. Now, since then, it's had a lot of modifications done to it. Got more of a street rod look with that bright yellow color, custom interior. Definitely not any of the drab golds, limes, browns, tans that you would see on a lot of these 57 Chevys. This one's going to pop, especially that yellow with the bright work. Now, more modern drivetrain. This one has a 350 Chevy small block underneath the hood. That is paired with a 700 R4 automatic transmission with overdrive. So you got a nice modern powertrain setup for going down the highway. This one should cruise right along with relative ease. As you can see, bright work looking good up front here too. Are you going to find a few little imperfections in the paint here and there? Yes. But overall, I mean, you can see how this nice reflection to it, good gloss, kind of the same with the bright work. Well, you maybe find a few imperfections here and there, yes, but overall, don't have to be afraid to show this car. Your local cruise-ins, local shows. Like I said, this one does pop. It'll stand out. Riding on those Krager SS's, 17-inch wheels, power brakes, power steering, AC. Now the front brakes are disc, and they are drilled and slotted. So you get disc brakes up front, power steering, AC blows cold. Some other things underneath the hood too. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures so you can see what I'm talking about, go and look at them in the still pictures. Take your time, look through them, look up close. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Now, also underneath the hood, MSD electronic ignition. We got an Edelbrock intake with MSD fuel injection system on it. So fuel injected V8 underneath the hood there too. Pusher fan as well as a puller fan. Keep that AC blowing cold, engine cool. And we're going to take a look at the still picture, take a look under the engine bay so you can see it in the video, and then you can also go and look at the still pictures. Custom interior, also yellow and black. See the black inlays, yellow vinyl, and then some of the 57 insignias also in the back of the seats. Headliner is also in nice shape over here if you want to take a look at it. Black headliner, that is just a reflection of the yellow off the back. It's not faded into the headliner or anything. It is an all black headliner. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist you with getting this car to where you're located at, and it may be eligible for an extended service contract. So consult with your sales associate when you call in or email us. And again, come back here and take a look at this bright work. Yeah, you might see kind of some fine scratches, but again, overall, nice condition. Little dinger, one up there, but again, this car will still show well in your local cruise-ins. It'll turn heads, no doubt about that. Especially when you fire this thing up in here. Flowmaster exhaust, nice sounding exhaust. A few things on the interior have been switched. Now, with that fuel injection system, you do have a controller that's in there for that MSD ignition. And then there's a retro sound stereo system to it. I did mention the AC blew cold. Little aftermarket set of gauges. Appeared the fuel gauge and everything worked in it. And we're going to go ahead and fire her up here too. I just want to look down this driver's side with you guys a bit. Let you get a good look at it. And remember, the still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Feel free to call us to 507-386-1726. All right, let's go ahead and fire this baby up so you can hear how it sounds. We'll let it warm up just a little bit here. All right, turn it on, let that fuel pump run for a second. again, that AC does blow cold. You can see it's nice and tight, nice and neat underneath there. When you open up the hood, it'll show it off a little bit. There you have it. I'm going to lower this hood. Looking for a nice 57 two-door hardtop. Good look and a heck of a rumble. Here you go. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right to our website. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist you in getting this car to where you're located at. And it may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.